chicas and chicas. So today I'm bringing out back with a slime video with my sister. I don't know nothing about slime, but we're gonna see whatever y'all little kids be doing because slime is what y'all into now. So to get started, what are we gonna need? Because I don't know how to do slime, so you need to tell them. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need are bowls. So we already have our own bowls to do the slime. Then you're gonna need glue, but we have this big ass glue, so we're gonna use this. Okay.
Now we're gonna be needing mixtures.
We're gonna be just making different kinds of slime. Yeah, 3 to be specific. We're gonna be using glitters.
We're gonna be using modeling clay.
Modeling clay.
Okay.
And then some just
Puffing paint.
Just whatever paints color you want.
And shaving cream.
And you'll need some shaving cream.
And activator. We're using
And
both.
activator. Got that? Okay. So what's the first thing we're supposed to do? Because I don't know how to do it.
What do you want to make first? Clay, butter, or fluffy?
Which is better?
Fluffy is like.
I want to make butter first. I've never made it before.
Okay, let's make butter.
Okay, so add glue, butter. Who wants to add first?
Go.
Tell me when to stop.
I don't know how to make this. Oh my!
Just don't waste your time.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, listen.
You're gonna need about however amount you want. You could just go and buy the little bottles and just squeeze all that out. But we have the big bottles, so we just decided to just eyeball it. Okay, so then what else do we need?
My mouth is shaking.
This Vesta B is so shy.
Okay. I forgot.
What?
We're gonna make butter slime, so you can be ready making the butter.
What was the color?
She's like,
You don't want no, because this is gonna be
Oh, okay,
coloring.
okay.
okay, so how much you're supposed to pour?
A little bit. Just I'll turn this up.
Okay, let me show you.
This is your slime, so I'm making.
Okay, but I don't know how to make this.
Right there.
There.
And mix.
There. No.
And then this to mix.
Yeah, you can use a fork.
Oh my God. Yeah, see, let me just show you real quick what we doing. So, right now we're just mixing, okay? Little mix.
And after this, you're gonna
As you can see,
have
it's
to
clumping
get
up.
So,
You can add more activator if it's sticky, like it's sticking around.
okay.
Oh, damn. I think I had too much. Ew.
Mine's,
Mine's too.
okay, you know what? I'm gonna just use the fork.
Just use my fingers.
Yeah, that's when you.
Vamos a hacerlo como si estamos haciendo tortillas aquí en México.
We're not even in Mexico.
I know. Oh my Lord.
They don't even show.
You have to be sarcastic. Oh my God.
Ew, I don't like
this,
mine.
Is this good?
Yeah, you could just you just gonna knead it. That means when it's like already poking, you can start adding this.
Oh my God. Do I add more water or I can't do no more?
Water.
Look, I don't know what I'm doing.
What? You need to add more of this.
No.
Look at hers.
Okay. Oh, should I need to add more?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
How come mine's clearing out beautiful than yours?
Okay, because
Yeah.
you're a professional. Mixing it so it looks like a big
Batch
vagina
of-
discharge
A milk.
of milk.
Oh no.
Okay.
Okay. If you don't want to waste your slime,
Okay,
if
what?
you don't want to waste your slime, then you have to get everything out. That's easy.
Huh?
Everything out? How the fuck you get
I don't know.
Just smear it off. Oh, mine is done.
Now that it's looking like this, you're just gonna...
Need.
Ew, stop. I hate that.
If it's too sticky, it don't want to work. It won't. Just add more of that.
Well, I don't know if it's working or not.
Like it's too
Just
sticky,
keep
like sticky,
kneading.
like. Oh, just
Like,
keep doing
pull,
this. Look,
put it
see?
together. Pull and put it together. Yeah, I think that's too much more.
So
You
vamos a
just put in hot
hacerle
water.
como si
Or-
we
estamos
should add
haciendo-
lotion to this stupid. We better add
Tortilla.
lotion.
There, mine is done.
Okay, well, you supposed to add lotion, but this girl forgot to say it.
Nope, because we don't have lotion.
Oh,
Gee, you didn't know that? Right, Alyssa?
I don't know about nothing about slime. I'm just doing this for you. This is not what my slime is supposed to look like. This is how you not make slime. Mine, okay? You can watch her because she's the
You
one.
can't even see anything.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to be showing them what you're doing.
I know. Oh, yeah, I'm taking everything out.
Okay, now she's just getting
See,
the access.
now it's clean, so I don't have to get up like them.
Oh, boy. Nah, look, I'm doing it. What the fuck you mean? Look at that. Ooh,
Oh, yeah.
ooh, ooh, ooh. So then you want to go back and just pat if you have any residue so you can pick it up. So the next step after it looks like
Ew.
this.
Oh, it's stretchy.
We don't have lotion. We're going to add hot water.
No, we're gonna put it in hot water.
Okay, put it in hot water.
Yeah. You made a small slime.
Oh, it does make it stretchier. What?
Okay, now I'm just putting it in hot water so I can make it stretchier. Right?
Stretchier.
Yes.
Stretchier.
Is that even a word?
Stretch.
So I can stretch it.
Stretch. You can take it out anytime you want.
I'm gonna wait about 10 more seconds.
3, 2.
Okay.
Remember, say zzz.
Okay.
Not.
You could just squeeze it. The water's gonna stick already.
Look, right, stretchier.
Oh, this is fucking making my muscles exercise. Look at
Oh yeah, this gets you.
Muscles.
Now we're gonna get the modeling. So what color do you want, Alisa?
I want.
Butter's like you can.
Okay, now we're gonna do the modeling,
We're gonna add it to this.
and these are the colors. I think I want to. Okay, I think I'm gonna use red. What you're gonna do is you're gonna apply the little modeling clay on top of your slime thingy. Is that what I'm explained to do?
Oh hell nah! What do you think you're doing here?
What color?
And then
Drink it out.
you're just gonna roll it over like so, right? That's what I'm supposed to be doing.
You're supposed to put it right here, but yeah.
Okay, well I'm just gonna lay it flat, and you're just gonna want to press your fingers in there, and you're just gonna want to keep turning it around.
You gonna use all of it?
Turning it around. So you're just gonna hacerle como si te estás haciendo tortillas, like I said throughout the video, or you could just have it as a marble slab.
Slime.
So you're just gonna.
Oh, this looks badass.
So yeah, you know
cool.
what? You know what?
So it's gonna. Okay, this is our first time doing the modeling, so don't judge. We judge you back.
Okay, you know what?
Pink on mine.
Okay, so that's all you're basically doing.
So we're just gonna be doing this, and we will be right back when we're done with this.
Oh yeah, like a big piece of gum.
Now we're gonna be making fluffy slime.
Okay, I want to do glitter slime.
You want to do glitter? Okay.
Yeah, me too. But you need clear. But we don't have clear glue.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now we're gonna be making glitter slime. So we have pink. Tell them.
So we have pink, purple, green, and blue. Tenemos morado, tenemos verde, tenemos rosa y tenemos azul. So cualquiera. Oh my God, guys! I am Hispanic. I grew up. My first language was Spanish, and I feel like I'm forgetting how to talk Spanish. Like literally, like are y'all like that, or is it just me? Porque like, o sea, like nombre way. Ahora vamos a mixtearlo. Oh my God, why am I talking Spanish?
And now,
You go.
Okay, now we're just gonna mix it.
Until it dissolves.
It's like the color that activator. Okay, what is this? Activator. Okay, now we're gonna add some activator. Add a little bit. I'm gonna add color to mine and I'm gonna add glitter. Wait a minute. So I'm gonna add blue and we're gonna add you some lotion just to make it stretchy so it won't be hard.
We're gonna be doing.
So there's puffy paint. There's baby blue. Light blue.
I'm gonna use this light blue.
I've been using this orange. Oh, actually,
I know.
There.
So you add that much,
Or more, I guess.
I think I'm just gonna add a
or
little bit.
however much you want. I'm trying to show ya how I'm making this, and
Mine is light blue. Orange, light orange. It's like highlighter color.
so you just want to mix it. Okay, then.
Last is better
Okay, why is that piece like that?
because you need to add more. Gosh.
Okay, somebody give me.
So mine is pretty. I like the color.
Sisters.
That's like it. That's pretty simply. It just can be there, that's all.
My old slime.
She had hair on it.
No, I don't. I don't have hair on it.
Hair, where?
So hers is glossy.
Oh, it's
yeah.
pretty, Lisa.
Ours is,
I used to pick it up, yeah. Lisa, yours is so pretty.
it's glossy. Her slime is like highlighter here, and this slime is glossy.
You just mix both the slimes.
I did?
Yeah.
I did not see that.
So we do have these 3 right now.
4.
Oh, no,
So-
I have the glitter already.
Oh, add it. You could just.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use the purple glitter. I want to just go ahead and use the purple.
I'm adding blue. No, it's okay. I can say no, it's okay.
Oh, it's such a pretty color.
Oh no, I got a idea. Why? I'm gonna do a twirl, and now if you don't know what's a twirl, that means like when you do that, and it becomes like a.
Okay, is this good?
Yeah.
So mine looks like this right now.
You're stupid.
Why?
Look what she did. She just. She's just like, I'm just gonna.
Green too. It would look cool. A little green.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with green. Oh, you were talking to me then?
Yeah.
Like,
Okay, this time we're gonna make
So
our
that's how
slime
mine's
stretchy.
looking like right now. So this is how mine's looking right now,
Actually, let me see yours.
even on the upload.
she's like so mad.
Just to be adventurous, okay? So then it's gonna look something like this.
Fluffy slime, I can't wait.
Am I? Oh, hair!
You're stupid. How? Okay, so now we're gonna be making fluffy slime.
I've been making it since last year. It was
Yeah.
so cool.
So we're gonna cover your
Why
face.
does it look like this?
So you can't see her face, cause we're gonna cover it. No, Alisa's gonna put the blurry thing.
Hopefully she does.
Stop! Your hands are cold.
Can't fit.
I'll be adding water and be back. So now I'm gonna be mixing the slime. Sorry, I'm close up.
Move! I'm trying to put this.
All the girls, little ones, subscribe to her because
Oh, little girl, what?
yeah, big girls, I don't care. Just
A mi canal.
so it's gonna be my channel for now.
Canal? That sounds so weird. I don't know why. It just sounds weird.
So now I'm adding shaving cream. It's like whipped cream.
I want to close this video already.
So,
Oh, you're doing the other slime already?
let me
Yeah.
see, let me see, let me try.
Shaving cream and mix it.
Okay, my,
with-
my sisters are taking over, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and comment. Los amo. Bye.
Bye. I like
asking-
story time.
She told y'all guys to tell her what other challenges and story times y'all wanted to do.
Yeah,
So
for she can make more videos like.
what to be. Just ask her to do a story about time how you met Anthony
Oh, yeah, I want to learn. I want to know that too.
too.
I think they made like a. What did it mean? I don't know what it meant.
at club. Probably. So yeah.
Club. They're 14.
Oh yeah. Oh, she went.
I mean, you can still go to a club at 14.
Okay.
I'm done. Look at mine. Look at my beauty.
So this is the mess we made. Come on, move.
The mess you made. I never made looking.
Okay.
You're the worst recorder ever.
So guys, don't mind. It's a camera. It is because like I'm talking, and this is a camera right here. So this is when you take a picture. It's like, yes, I'm bossy. Okay, so it's gonna mix right there. Can you hold this?
No.
Oh, never mind. Okay, so I'm gonna flip the camera in a minute. So I'm gonna put this in fast forward. So we're mixing this line. Oh, so
Look at this, guys. So
fast forward. So we're gonna be making fluffy slime. Comment down below what type of slimes you want. But okay, guys. So I hope you enjoy it and like this video for Elisa Peirani. So yeah, for Elisa Peirani, comment down below vlogs and stuff, you know. But she don't live with us, so yeah, cause she moved her boyfriend. So peace. I love you, and go follow my Musical.ly. I'm getting a new account, but the one I have right now is Lisbeth Star. So I see a lot of penguins. So love you. Peace.